Okay, it's still October 29th and I'm still on the Mount Negus Trail. I just come down. The summit is way back over this way. I was mistaken earlier, where I thought it was that right there, but it's not. It's further down the trail. But it was more of a ridge walk. But I wanted to take one more video before the shit hits the fan, because I just went through this flat section and I recall from the walk up that it's just going to be a non-stop downhill. So if you look down here through the trees, you can see the Deerfield River. And over with you can see green through the trees. That's over towards where Route 2 is. And across the way here, through the trees, it's Todd Mountain over in Mohawk Trail State Forest. And over here, Mount Greylock, the highest in the state. You can hear somebody down on Zora Road. Down here there's a quarry or whatnot, and here's where I'm heading. The trail goes down this way. Down, 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 down. The lower section is the part I'm most worried about because of all the leaves and how steep it is. Wow, looks like there's a little bit of sunlight on Greylock right now. Yeah. Well, that's northern slope. You can see the gap where the auto road circles the top, goes to the summit. I can see over here Mount Williams and Mount Fitch. This is part of the Greylock Massif. And this peak over here, that's Clark Mountain to the south of here. I wanted to take one more video. Yeah, that's the road I'm going to be driving along. Right down here in the railroad tracks in the Deerfield River. A long time ago I went tubing with Andrew and Lydia, and Lydia's brother Billy and myself. We went whitewater rafting down this river. The water was a lot higher. We've had a very dry year. I mean, it is running, but nowhere close to what it was like when we went years ago. And over here, you can see ski trails. That's Berkshire East, I believe is the name of the ski area. It's Charlemont. I'm not sure if I'm in Charlemont or Rowe or Monroe, but that's the way I'm heading. I gotta head back that way along Route 2. Follow that all the way to Leominster, and then I'll head south on 190 to get home. Kind of like my old commute when I worked in Leominster. But yeah, it's almost 11:15. I started hiking a little bit before 9 in the morning. So I got out here in good time, considering I worked last night. And over here there's a church steeple. Right there. I believe that's the town of Florida. Yeah, believe it or not, there is a town in Massachusetts called Florida. There's also a town down this direction. I've never driven through it, called Peru. Yeah, I'll stick with Halloweenish movies, but yeah, it's more of a Stephen King movie. You're all a bunch of shitters.